Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Learn and shine with Yasinii. I hope you like my video. If you like my videos, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Also press bell icon.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I would like to get some information about bank accounts.
What would you like to know?
What kind of documents do I need for opening a bank account?
You need your original identification card with one photocopy. And your job information.
I have these documents right now. I would like to open a bank account.
Our staff is over there. She can help you in this case. Thanks, anytime.
Good morning.
Good morning. What can I do for you today?
I would like to open a bank account.
What kind of account would you like to open?
Could you please tell me a little bit about bank accounts?
Sure. There are two kinds of accounts. A checking account and a savings account.
What is the difference between a checking account and a savings account?
A checking account is a basic account. For example, if you open a checking account so you can purchase things online as well as paying bills and buying groceries.
Sounds good.
We will provide you a debit card and a checkbook.
And what about a savings account?
A savings account is for savings. You can deposit your money and earn interest.
How many transactions can be done in a month with a savings account?
Only 6 transactions. But with a checking account you can make daily transactions.
A checking account is good for me. I love buying things online.
Then would you like to open a checking account?
Yes, please.
Please fill out this application form. You need to deposit minimum $50.
I will deposit $100.
I will set up your account right now. You are all set. Here is your checkbook and your debit card.
Thank you.
Hello. What can I do for you?
I would like to deposit this check and $100 in my account.
Can I see your ID card, please?
Here it is.
Fine. Please sign your check.
Sorry, I forgot to sign the check.
Here is your receipt.
Thanks.
Next, please.
Good morning.
Good morning. What can I do for you today?
I would like to withdraw some money from my checking account.
Can I have your account number and your name, please?
My name is Susan and my account number is 09871123.
I can see your account. You need to sign your check and write the amount of money. So, you would like to withdraw $100 from your account?
Yes, please.
Here is your money.
Hello. I need some help.
How can I help you?
My credit card does not work. I tried to use it last night but it did not work.
Let me check your account balance. Can you please tell me your account number?
My account number is 8572804.
Sorry madam. You are run out of balance.
What? Oh my god.
You don't need to worry about it. You have to deposit money in your account. And then you can use your card.
Okay. I would like to deposit $300 in my account. Here you are.
Now you can use your credit card.
Thanks.
My pleasure.
Excuse me.
Yes, please.
Can you show me how to use ATM?
Sure, let me show you. First, you need to insert your debit card into the ATM machine. Then you have to enter your PIN code. After that, lots of options will show in the screen. Select any option according to your wish. If you want to deposit or withdraw your money, so select option in the screen. Then write the amount of money and press enter. And take your money. That's it.
Thank you so much. I got it.
No problem.